Hey guys, it's Anyssa and
Blair Kaplan-Venables.
I am from the ladies meeting and we meet once a month in Vancouver, and this is Blair.
I'm the president of Blair Kaplan Communications. I am a communications company based in Pemberton.
And we are here to give you a top 5 tips for Instagram.
So, I will begin. Number 1, always have a plan. Create a strategy. What type of content are you going to post when? Video, tips, motivation?
Or if you're going to have a plan for how it's going to look as well. So I love doing, if you go to my Instagram, Anyssa C, you will get images that are multiple images over different blocks, or you'll get a pattern. So some people like to put, for example, a quote, an image, something that looks coherent and planned out.
And I think that's a great idea. And then you can be rogue like me. My account is Blair from Blairland, and I post to my newsfeed anything that inspires me, and I take you behind the scenes using my Instagram story.
I love your Instagram stories. Thanks. She showed me today. They're awesome.
Instagram stories.
What is number 2?
Number 2 is always use hashtags. Did you know that you can use up to 30 hashtags with each Instagram post?
No.
You can use it in the comments section or in the post itself. There's a whole science behind how to find the right Instagram hashtags for you, but we don't have time for that today.
No, but I always describe them as they're like tuning into your own personal radio station. Number 3.
Hold on.
I am holding on. I'm holding the camera.
I lost my
very
notes.
still. So number 3, I think, was make sure you fully use your bio section in your Instagram, and make sure that you put a link in there to a specific page on your website. So if you are online looking to make money, one of the most important things to remember with social media is that you always want to be building your mailing list. So use that. If someone's going to click on that link in your bio, make sure you've got an offer, a contest. Instagram is great for contests, and link them back to your page where you really encourage them. Have a site that's going to encourage them to give you their email, because once they've been there and you get their email, you can keep going back to them over and over. And
also, I'm a huge fan of using emojis in your bio. It helps break up the information and makes it really fun. Do you use emojis in yours?
No.
I use them in mine. It's fun and cheesy.
I'm not sure grandmas use emojis.
So I know what tip number 4 is, because I looked at my notes.
Oh, good.
And tip number 4 is, if you currently have a personal Instagram account, immediately switch it to be a business account.
Like right away.
Like right away. Like right now. Like stop this video and then come back.
Yeah.
Because you can't track statistics on your Instagram account without it being a business profile.
And do you remember what number 5
Yeah,
was?
videos. All about the videos. Get comfortable being on video.
Yes.
Like right now, we're on video. I don't like to be on video, but I'm doing this for you.
I made her do it.
Get comfortable with making videos, boomerangs, videos in your stories, live videos. It actually goes with all social media to focus on video. Video is a great way for people to get to know you and your product and your brand. Do you have anything to add about video?
Yes, just do it. I actually challenged myself one day to do it with no makeup, in my bathrobe, with my hair in a towel. You can check that out on YouTube someday. But it was about just get videos done. Just get them started.
So do it. So that's our top 5 Instagram tips of the day.
Awesome. And you can find Blair online at
BlairKaplan.ca.
And you can find me on theladiesmeeting.com.
Bye.
Goodbye.